If incoming calls are not showing on your Motorola Moto G56, in order to solve this issue, the first thing that you can do is check if the Do Not Disturb mode is activated. So if we go to, for example, notifications, if you have classic control center, then you should be able to find the Do Not Disturb button over here, at least by default. If not, then you can just open full control center here, and you should be able to find the DND button somewhere. So make sure that it is not enabled. Sometimes the DND mode can be activated automatically due to some sort of automation. And if the Do Not Disturb mode is not the case, if it is disabled and you still cannot see incoming calls, then another thing that you can do is open settings. And then in settings, we're gonna scroll down and open apps. Over here, go to see all apps. And we're gonna tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to show system apps as well. Now here what you need to do is search. We're gonna search for the phone app. There we go. And you should be able to find the phone app over here. So first we're gonna force stop the app, press OK. Then another thing that you can do is go to storage and cache, and we want to clear the storage and confirm by pressing delete. Now, in addition to that, you can also go to permissions in order to make sure that these permissions that are allowed over here are also allowed in your case. If they are not, if they are in this section, then you can tap on the permission in order to manage it. Now, besides that, you can also go to notifications in order to make sure that notifications are actually enabled here. All right, so once this is done, we can go back, and we now need to choose the phone and messaging storage. And in this case, you want to go to storage and cache. And in this case, we have to clear cache. We cannot, if you cannot clear the storage, then you want to clear cache. Then we're gonna go back. And let's see if we have more apps. We have phone calls, so we want to do the same thing. Open storage and cache and delete the storage. All right. And also phone services. Let's go over here, storage and cache, and let's clear storage. There we go. So once that is done, we have to open the phone app. It is quite important to open it actually, because we need to turn it back on since we force stopped it. And hopefully this solves your issue. Let me know in the comments if that helped. And if you have some other ideas, then of course you can share them in the comments what eventually helped you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.